Hey lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Just in case you are not able to finish this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you can check me out later. Okay lifestyle lovers, so I'm getting ready to head out the door. Most of you know that I am redesigning my bedroom. And if you're wondering why I have never mentioned anything about lamps, it's because there are not going to be any. I am going to do pendant light in the bedroom. And so there are going to be one over each nightstand, as you can see behind me. And I am going to this store called Arhaus. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's Arhaus. And they have a lighting sale. So I think I may have found the perfect pendant lights for my bedroom, but before I order them, I want to see them in person, and I have called the store. They are in the store. So that is where I am headed, lifestyle lovers. So we are going on a quick little field trip into Arhaus. I've never done a shop with me there, but they're a very nice store, a very expensive store, and the pendant lights that I'm looking at, and they're on sale for like a $170 or $160 or something like that. But I think they're going to be perfect for the bedroom. They are 15 inches in diameter, but I want to see them in person. They look gorgeous online, but you guys know, how online goes. So I'm going to check them out. So that is where we're headed, and I'll check back in with you guys when we get there. lifestyle lovers, this is the pendant that I came in here for. That's it. So, lifestyle lovers, so I just left out of Arhaus. They have some really nice stuff in there. I'm quite sure you guys can see from the footage, but they're not as expensive as I remember them being. I remember them being more expensive, but they're not, you know, they're expensive, but you know, I guess for the quality that you're getting, good prices. I really love their lighting. I may be back to get more lighting because I did see some stuff that I may want in the future, but their lighting and their huge wall mirrors were, you know, they like stood out the most. Not so much the furniture, but the lighting and the wall mirrors. So the lighting is 20% off. So I got 20% off the pendants. I did order them. She said they will come UPS 7 to 10 days. So I think that probably was a good price based on some of the other prices that I had been seeing. I checked West Elm. Originally I was looking at IKEA. You know, I was gonna go a little lower grade with the pendants, but once I read the reviews as far as the globes breaking and stuff like that, then I just decided I'm not even going to try to cut any corners. I'm going to just go ahead and get some good quality pendant lighting for my bedroom. I don't want to have to worry about anything breaking and all that crap, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm not even trying to go that route. But I really like them. That's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. The pendants are ordered. The seating for the bedroom is still on back order. I do not expect to have that till November, December. And that is pretty much it for the bedroom. I am going to do something with the windows. I don't know what it's going to be though. I was thinking about plantation shutters, but I'm not 100% sure if that's the direction that I want to go. So right now it's going to stay as is until I figure out what direction I want to go. So I'm not in a rush for that because I need to figure out what I want, and I'm not really sure. I have to do more research and I need to see more looks to determine what I want and what's going to be the best look. But now that the pendants are ordered, have to pay to get them installed, and the seating, bedroom is complete, baby. I need a few more items for the bookcase, but you guys know that's not a big deal. Whatever. But I'm so excited. I do have something else that I may add, but I'm not gonna tell you guys about it because that's on back order as well, and I don't even know if I'm gonna do it because it's gonna be a little coin. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed the shot with me. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Continue to be safe, continue to stay encouraged, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.